Quarters view of the falls on the Zimbabwean side, of which on the Zambian side today you can find the water is getting less and less as our rain season is from November running through to April. Hence we do also expect around April, May, June the river or the falls to be 100% full. It will be during that time where then going to the falls you'll need a long raincoat for the showers, as to some extent they will tend to be like a thunderstorm, but today it's something different, and most probably that's why it is actually a natural wonder of the world.
Here we go. We're just about to start the Victoria Falls walk. And the boys are doing a traditional dance. They do this everywhere and it's fantastic. The souvenir shops they look quite good. There's that constant smell of burning timber or fuel.
So this is where we are here. So from here we're walking up here to see the statue of David Livingstone, which also marks number 1.
Don't fall over. Right from the beginning, the falls are just amazing. There's 14 viewing stations. You'll walk along over 1.5 kilometres. We've only included about 3 or 4, but they're all absolutely stunning. Our main concern was getting wet and what camera gear to take. But as the guide stated earlier, this is the dry season, so you can take any camera. We took our GoPros. This is viewpoint number 4. It's quite stunning. You can look right down the gorge and see the waterfall all the way. The mist is rising. Kathleen's still dry.
Not like
That one's called Devil's Pool.
Yeah, that's Devil's Pool, huh?
I mean, that doesn't look safe. Devil's Pool is a tourist option where you can get your photo taken. Okay, here we go, Horseshoe Fall. Here we go, Horseshoe Falls. And you can see now the separation of how the river on this side is flowing and now the river on the other side It's stopped flowing. There's even a few little huts over here. I think this is where they would run the devil pearl action from. They come to this point here and then go over to that drop off there. All the young people are doing the Instagram photo.
Where the white water up?
Oh, it's okay. I don't. Wow.
Oh, it's gorgeous, isn't it? Oh, they do whitewater rafting down there. This is just insane. So from this viewpoint here, we can see the bridge to Botswana, which is great, which is one event. The next event we can look at is a whitewater rafting. Look at that down there, that's just... We'll try and talk Kathleen into that, it'll be a big no. And then, for the criminally insane, there's bungee jumping. Is this bungee jumping? Yeah. Abseiling, is it? No, abseiling, where you just hold on.
Right.
Okay, so if you like this video, what do you do, darling?
Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye. Look where we are. How's this? Bali and Beach. Beautiful.